Pour your oil in, my hot chilies, my sliced ginger, black beans, brown sugar. Next up are crickets. And just like we were adding chicken or pork to this dish, we want to cook those crickets through. Doesn't take that long, but it's like adding a tiny little shrimps. Our chives, our soy, our chili paste, our sesame oil. I think this is real food and deserves its place on American menus.
I started to use insects as an ingredient. So rather than sprinkling whole insects on a salad, which you can still do, there's nothing wrong with that. But I thought if we're going to really get it accepted into mainstream food culture, insects are a really good conversation starter. Not just about the fact they're healthy or they taste good.
And I still don't know what to say. And I still don't know what to say.